Hello, dear students, Assalamu alaikum. University of Narwal, welcome to you. Today we will discuss chemistry part 2, chapter 9 and lecture number 4. Today we will discuss about the modern concepts about structure of benzene. Structure of benzene can be best explained by modern concepts, which are atomic orbital treatment of benzene, hybridization approach about the structure of benzene, and resonance concept about the structure of benzene. In this lecture, we will explain the structure of benzene on the basis of atomic orbital treatment. When we see the molecular formula and structural formula of benzene, in benzene each carbon atom is linked with 3 other atoms, 2 adjacent carbon and 1 hydrogen. It means that in the structure of benzene, each carbon atom is sp2 hybridized. Now we consider some idea of sp2 hybridization. The hexagonal structure of benzene can be best explained by hybridization approach, atomic orbital treatment approach. In benzene, each carbon atom is sp2 hybridized. Now we consider the electronic configuration of carbon. Carbon is the 6th element of periodic table. Its atomic number is 6. Its normal electronic configuration, its ground state electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2px, 2py, 2pz. Now 2px and 2py are half-filled. According to this electronic configuration, carbon should be divalent, but carbon is tetravalent. So carbon atom comes in excited state. In excited state, before hybridization, 1 electron from 2s is promoted to empty 2pz orbital. After excitation, hybridization comes into operate. Actually, hybridization and excitation are 2 simultaneous processes. Then carbon atom undergo hybridization according to the situation. Since in benzene each carbon atom is linked with 3 other atoms, so each carbon atom is sp2 hybridized. Now 1 2s orbital and 2p orbital, 2px and 2py mixed. It is 2s, it is 2px, it is 2py. When they are mixed, they form 3 sp2 hybrid orbital. sp2, sp2, sp2. They are all in the one plane. They are all coplanar. And 1 2pz orbital which does not participate in hybridization, it is perpendicular to these orbitals. Now in benzene, each carbon atom in this state, it is sp2, it is sp2, it is sp2, all these are half-filled, and it is 2pz which is perpendicular to these hybrid orbitals. The 3 sp2 hybrid p orbitals are used for the formation of 3 sigma bonds, 2 with adjacent carbon atom and 1 with hydrogen atom. In benzene, each carbon atom form 3 sigma bond. by using hybrid 2p orbitals. This sigma bond is with this carbon, this sigma bond with this carbon, and this sigma bond with hydrogen atom. It is called sigma network of benzene. Now the unhybridized 2pz orbital remain at right angle to these sp2 orbitals. All the angle in benzene are of 120 degree, which confirm the hexagonal structure of benzene. It is called sigma network of benzene. Now in benzene, each carbon atom has one hybrid 2pz orbital which is perpendicular to the sigma network. Now all the carbon atom and all the hydrogen atom are in the same plane, and these p orbital, unhybrid p orbital, which are also partially filled, they can overlap with this orbital or with this orbital. So the unhybridized 2pz orbitals partially overlaps to form a continued sheath of electron cloud enveloping above and below the 6 carbon-carbon sigma bonds of the ring. Since each 2pz orbital is overlapped by the 2pz orbital of adjacent carbon atoms, therefore this overlapping gives delocalized electron cloud above and below the sigma network. It is above the plane, it is below the plane. It is delocalized by orbital of benzene. So we can say the structure of benzene can be best explained by atomic orbital treatment of benzene. Thanks.